Hello and welcome to the Yes Talks. This is Sweta and today I will tell you how to give an effective introduction. Well, introduction plays a vital role in our selection process. To give an effective introduction, we must consider a few things in mind. First and foremost, we start our introduction with our name. Start our name as my name is, I am, or this is. We never use myself. After telling about our name, we can tell about the place we belong to. Then comes about your qualification. The order of qualifications must be in higher to lower. Suppose you have completed your graduation. So first of all, you have to tell about your graduation. After that, about your intermediate. If required, you can also mention about your division or percentage over here. After telling about your qualification, tells about your job experience. Whether you are doing a job currently or you have already done a job, tell each and everything about your job. Then comes about your strengths and your hobbies. Lastly, tell about your family members and siblings, their profession and your family background. Your introduction consists of all these factors. Keep these factors in mind and practice your introduction as much as you can.